How to create email campaigns using Migma AI. First, open your web browser and go to the official Migma AI website. Sign into your account or create one if you're using the platform for the first time. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Campaign, New Campaign, or Email Campaign, depending on the current interface. Next, choose the goal of your campaign. For example, you can create a promotional email, product launch announcement, newsletter, welcome email, or customer follow-up campaign. Enter a short description of your campaign, or provide a prompt, such as, create a promotional email for a new AI productivity app with a professional tone, a compelling subject line, and a strong call to action, encouraging users to start a free trial. Click Generate. Migma AI will automatically create the email content, including a subject line, headline, body text, call to action, and suggested formatting. Review the generated email and customize the text, images, buttons, brand colors, and recipient settings to match your business. If your version supports it, you can also personalize emails for different audience segments and schedule the campaign for a later date. Before sending, use the preview or test email option to check how your message looks on desktop and mobile devices. Once everything is ready, click Send or Schedule to launch your email campaign. That's it. You've successfully created an email campaign using Migma AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, marketing tips, and easy tech guides.